Hi.
Which women have influenced your career to this day?
Influence awuchaze ngesizulu mhlawumbe.
Ah la la.
What legacy are you going to leave behind?
Legacy in. Hi book.
Music, I think, is something that we grow up with. Because there was a late, our father, Umahawgela, and then when he passed away, there was a late Nkumeni.
Listen properly.
Ukos don't give me money. They know Ukos, they know Guti.
No, I'm not talking about Ukosi.
No.
No! No! No!
Oh, yeah,
And your masters, do you own your masters?
masters.
Yeah.
Like how? Distribution are going to just sit at home not campaigning. And the new the flash legs.
Oh, super exciting indeed. Big brother, how has this journey been?
Into ezokwenziwa interview iqhubeke mina Mthandeni mina Mshuve Ntanga kwabanenkani mina Ndlabe Phika kaBambatha sizokhuluma isiZulu siqonde isikhuluma isiZulu mfowethu ngalokho lokho usho ukuthi interview yethu phela ke iyonakala le interview iqhubeke ukuthi mina nawe sikhuluma isiZulu
hayi kodwa insizwa mfoka Manqele ngiyakuvuma mina mfowethu hayi